olive oil.
Okay.
Look at how you make those, they're kind of burnt, so they're kind of sugary. Because you know how that gives that caramelized? Now this doesn't have, these are the ones I made the other day. These are just regular beans. They don't have much juice. So I'm also going to use, these are the beans from the first, you can make them, some people like them lumpy. Like they would say, that's enough. I like mine a little bit mushier.
You threw some garlic in too.
You can put garlic. I didn't put any. You can also, with the onion, if you want some jalapeno, you can put in there. But the key is, there's no lard in here. This is just a little bit of olive oil. A little bit. I'm using the juice of the bean instead.
It works. They're great.
Look at that.
Ooh.
This is, I'm gonna let this.
Ready?
Restaurant is ready.
We're here.
Niños héroes. En el sitio que hoy ocupa este edificio existió la casa del Marqués de Pánico, que una vez reconstruida sirvió de casa de moneda a partir de 1823. Al lado...
See what this is.
Hidalgo. A mural. I can't remember the artist.
No, Arauz, no.
I thought it was Hidalgo.
They come up these stairs.
Para que todos les den de comer. Y la única que se acercó para Aurora, así que todos si gustan se pueden parar a darle de comer del lado derecho. Los que ya le dieron derecha, los que no le han dado, para que todo les toque. Y ahorita que termine ya atrás viene para acá adelante, no se preocupen, nos vamos a esperar un tiempecito. Solo les digo que Aurora...
Hotel and Spa Resort, and we have just been through a day of it.
Do you know what time it is?
Yes, it's after 5.
Yes.
It went forever.
It was wonderful. And this is a hotel spa on Lake Chapala.
Celebrity as in North Korean celebrity?
No,
Or celebrity American?
Western.
Oh, well, it wouldn't have been U.S. because we're not allowed to go to North Korea.
Are we not?
No.
Another country. I thought Cuba was the only one.
Oh, no, there's...
Coconut.
A lot of milk in there, eh? Now these are butter, and they wrap it up in corn husks. The butter.
Interesting.
And it gives it a really wonderful flavor.
Mantequilla.
And we put in the oven for second time 10 hours, around 10, 11 hours, but 1,200 centigrades the second time. And look, the pieces, the shrink, this is the same, and this is the demonstration better. It's hard, yeah.
I bet you're gonna have more than 3.
Maybe.
Oh, see what this is.
Taqueria. You
Oh,
go
are
through?
we talking? I'm eating.
Get a platform. You order tacos, beef or pork or tongue or brain. No, we had the easy stuff.
Or cheek.
Or cheese.
This on the grill.
On the grill.
Uh-huh.
And it's cheese?
Quesadilla.
Ajá.
Quesadilla. Ooh, quesadilla.
Aquí, bueno, saca la foto, güey.
What?
Take the picture.
It's a video.
Oh, it's a video. Ah, entonces tienes que...